Hello, in this video I will explain the fundamental conceptual tools required to analyze an argument. There are three important concepts that are associated with evaluating any argument. They are first, truth, validity, and soundness. Let us start with truth. Truth actually is a beast. It's very difficult to explain what truth is. However, for this course, truth is quite simple. Uh, by truth, we understand the following. If a statement asserts or denies some things, and that is the case, then we say that sentence is true. For instance, consider the sentence, it is raining. The sentence, it is raining, is true if and only if it is raining outside. If it is not raining outside, then the sentence, it is raining, is false. This helps us classify sentences or propositions, technically speaking, into different sorts. So we could think about three types of propositions or statements. First, those kinds of statements that are always true, those statements that are always false, and those statements that become true or false depending upon the context in which the statement is uttered. The first type of sentence that are always true are called tautology. For instance, it is raining or not raining. The sentence is always true. Similarly, the sentence, it is raining and not raining, is always false. I should add a footnote here saying that the sentence, it is raining and not raining, has to be qualified a little bit. It is raining and not raining now at this place. That is actually the contradiction. The third type of sentence, it is raining now, is a true sentence if it is actually raining. It's a false sentence if it is not actually raining. When a sentence is true, we say that the sentence has truth value true. When a sentence is false, we say that sentence has truth value false. Please note that false sentence have truth value. Even when the sentence is false, it has a truth value. Its truth value is false. That means a tautology has a truth value true. Always it has a truth value true. A contradiction has a truth value false. And a contingent statement, that statement which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction, are called contingent. Those have a truth value true or false depending upon the context. So earlier we discussed the types of sentences. That was required because an argument is a set of sentences. Now, once we have the idea of truth value, now we can think about an argument. The following concepts are important in understanding deductive arguments. Deductive arguments can be classified broadly into two, those that are valid and those that are invalid. An argument is valid if and only if all the premises are true and it is impossible that the conclusion is false. If an argument satisfies the above condition, that its premises are true and conclusion false is impossible, then we say that argument is valid. Please note that this does not ensure the truth of the conclusion. It is possible that all the premises are false and the conclusion false, but the argument is still valid. This is because validity is a formal property. It depends upon the particular formal relation between premises and conclusion. It's not about truth. On the other hand, we will consider another type of argument. Those are valid as well as offers a true conclusion. Those are called sound arguments. Ideally, we will always be looking for a sound argument. So a sound argument is a deductive argument whose premises are true and conclusion true and the argument is valid. In other words, a valid argument with true premises are called sound argument.